everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the last class we had finished the first chapter of statistics. Now we'll do the objective questions of this first chapter. But before we begin, if you are seeing this video for the first time, then please subscribe to our channel and please like the video as well. So let's begin with this chapter now. We'll begin with the MCQs first. Now we'll just keep on solving the questions as we go on. First question says, which of the following is correct regarding statistics? It is aggregate of facts, numerically expressed, affected by multiple causes, all of these. Now obviously statistics is something which is actually affected by all these things. All of these is the correct option here. With regards to distrust of statistics, which of the following is not correct? It's a rainbow of lies, it's a tissue of falsehood, statistics expresses facts in numbers. There are three kinds of lies: damned lies, lies and statistics. So here distrust में क्या एक चीज़ important है कि ये तीनों चीज़ें distrust के अंदर आती हैं, but statistic जो है वो numbers में express होता है, वो distrust नहीं है. So this is the correct statement here. The process of converting raw materials into goods is called production, saving, investment, exchange. It is called production. So moving on. The word statistics is used as singular, plural, singular and plural, none. So both singular and plural. The proper use of statistics can be made by cheats, everyone, common man, experts. The expert can only make use of statistics in proper manner. Cheats, everyone, common man will not be able to make the proper use of it. So here the answer is experts. Statistics as singular indicates statistical data, statistical methods, inductive statistics, descriptive statistics. मैंने आपको बताया था लास्ट वीडियो में कि अगर हम बात करें प्लूरल सेंस में, तो प्लूरल सेंस में इट इंडिकेट स्टैटिस्टिकल data, and if we talk about singular sense, so it indicates statistical methods. Keep this thing in mind always. Data is basically we were just collecting the numbers. Methods में हम collection भी कर रहे हैं, organization भी कर रहे हैं, presentation भी करेंगे. We'll analyze it and we'll also interpret it. So here the answer is statistical methods. Statistics as plural indicates methods, descriptive statistics, data, inductive. So here the answer is data. Distrust is due to misuse, insufficient methods, scope being limited, limitation of statistics. So here basically the distrust is actually because of misuse. Misuse की वजह से ही distrust आता है. So misuse is the correct answer here. Moving on to the next one. Dash is a person who buys goods and services for satisfaction of wants. That is always a consumer. So here the answer is consumer. Problem arises due to unlimited wants, scarcity of resources, alternative uses, all of these. So हमेशा problem क्यों आएगी इको में? Because जो हमारे resources हैं वो scarce हैं, because हमारी wants unlimited हैं and उसकी जो use हैं वो alternative हैं. So all of these is the answer here. Activities undertaken to earn a living are economic activities. Welfare definition was given by Lionel Robbins. Welfare was Lionel. Adam Smith gave the wealth definition. Marshall gave basically the definition of scarcity, and Samuelson gave definition of growth. No, this is not Lionel. This is the answer is Alfred Marshall. Sorry. Smith gave wealth, Lionel gave scarcity, Marshall gave definition of welfare, and Samuelson gave definition of growth. So the answer here is Alfred Marshall. Okay, moving on to the next one. Which definition was given by Adam Smith? It was wealth. So true, false. Next question. Scarcity definition of economics has been given by Adam Smith. No, this is false. It has been given by Lionel Robbins. Okay, production, consumption and exchange are three main economic activities undertaken by every economy. This is true. Alternative use of resources is the root cause of all economic problems. This is also true. Service provider is a person who works for someone. This is true. He's working for someone for daily wages. Non-economic activities are undertaken without any expectation of monetary benefit. This is true that they don't expect any money, like housewife, teacher teaching her own son or her own daughter. They do not expect any money in return. So moving on. Statistics studies both. Here the next one is this, right? Studies both quantity as well as quality. This is not true. This is false. It only studies the quantitative variables. All numerical information is not statistics. This is also true. When we say that we're talking about only individual, it is not a true statement. To here, all numerical information is not statistics. This is true. यानी कि अगर हम बात करें एक इंडिविजुअल की एज की, वो स्टैटिस्टिक्स नहीं है, बट ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल की एज की बात करेंगे तो वो स्टैटिस्टिक्स है. MS Dhoni played cricket for 16 years. This statement is statistics. No, this is false. It is not telling us about any particular collection of data. हमने सिर्फ बात की है 16 years के बारे में MS धोनी, बट हमने ये बात नहीं की है कि उसके साथ और कोई भी था. एग्रीगेट नहीं है ये, राइट? Distrust of statistics can be removed by undertaking the limitation of statistics. This is totally true. There are 6 stages of statistical study. This is false. We have only 5 stages. 5 means first is collection, second organization, presentation is third, fourth is analysis, and fifth is interpretation. So with this we end the objective questions also. This is very small chapter, उसके ज़्यादा questions नहीं है. So I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. The doubts are also clear. If you still have any doubts in this, then please comment in the comment section. You can also DM on Instagram. ID is given below. It's Adam Eco Official. And for any doubts, any queries, please feel free to ask. We are happy to help and happy to answer. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends as well. Thank you for your time.